Mama. This is not cake, this, Mama.
What color do you want on your kite?
Ayan, green. Because favorite is kayo green.
Don't touch it yet, ha? I will get a stick and a glue.
Pingin, kaya mo, ay ganyan. And go on. Go on. Did you get?
Yeah. Here's the stick and then get a glue.
Sorry, Mama. Did you get some glue?
You don't have glue? I'm looking for glue, but you don't have. Okay lang.
I did not catch.
Thank you for not touching. Here, hold it here. Help me. The other hand lang. The other hand. Other hand have it. Be sure. Hold it like this. Close the other fingers so that it won't be hit by the scissors. glue.
Maybe we could add tutu and category to the glue.
But they don't. But they are not.
No, you know they call them?
Next time, when Mama buys glue, you don't waste it. So that whenever we need it, we have it. Do you understand? You don't play with it. So that when we need it, we have.
Yeah, but I didn't play.
This is only try. I think we need another stick. Wait for me, guys.
I did not that.
You. What you're thinking?
I'm thinking about how to make a kite.
I think this will be okay.
Yeah, for that kite. Is it for the kite, Mama? Is it for the kite, Mama?
Yes. Still for the cake. Oh, that's a garbage truck.
And the can we have no glue?
Yeah, I don't have glue. But you can still make even without glue.
Yeah, even if you no glue, it's okay to make.
Yeah,
So we
you can
will,
still make.
yeah, we can still make, but it's okay to have no glue. We can still make some real.
You can still make something.
Yeah, like a kite. Diba? Because you can tight.
Oh. Yay. And we will make ice.
Like that.
Make your kite with ice.
Why?
So that your ice will be, your kite will be beautiful.
What are you doing, Nanay?
Feeding you, no? Nanay is feeding you, no?
Because you know it's hungry, Mama.
Yeah. It's time for breakfast.
You know it's time for breakfast, Mama.
Opo.
And why? It's time for
Because-
breakfast.
Yeah. Because like ours, like people, like humans, dogs also get hungry.
Then how can you? Then how
This
can
will
we?
be the ice. That's okay? And this is his mouth. You like it?
Yeah, my taste is now beautiful. You see, it's you know like the food that
That we eat?
that we give from you know.
Ah, yes. Yuno likes it very much. Yuno likes to eat our food.
Because
And Yuno always the ginot. Yuno don't waste food. You always the ginot. Like Kael will also
also the dinner.
the ginot.
That will be the ice,
Can you
Mama.
give me a
Huh?
color pencil? Black color pencil.
Okay,
Thank you.
I'll get some yan. That one.
Black color pencil, please.
Here's my black crayon.
Thank you. Oh. Oh no, it's not writing. Can you give me another black,
Okay,
please?
okay. I'll give you. Here's my another black.
Thank you.
Huh? What
Yes.
is this?
We'll make that as your kites here.
How about the ice?
This is the ice.
hold it, babe.
Thank you. Helping hand, please.
Okay. No, it's not the eye type.
Yeah. Look at the eyes of your kite. You sit down here. We'll make first the hair.
How about it? What is it for?
That will make that stay up.
The tail of the kite? Wow!
Ta-da.
Wow! What you doing?
Sticking.
Teaching?
I'm not really sure of what I'm doing. What's next? We put the
Rubber band.
yarn.
What?
What's next?
Na 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 na.
Okay, sit down lang, sit down.
Na 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 na.
Ba? Wait lang ha.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Mama, if there's no do, we can give up.
Okay. Can you give me a red pencil? A red color pencil?
Okay, you. But it's broken.
Yeah. It's broken. It's okay.
But it's okay. Just another egg.
There's
There's
another red.
many eggs.
It's okay na lang.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
What is that?
Eyebrows. Sit down lang. Sit down. I think we will make a tail.
Peekaboo?
Yeah.
Because favorite Autoboo?
Yeah, you said your other favorite color is blue
And orange?
and orange.
Like that? Like that you get?
Yes, that's why I get orange
And blue?
and blue. Because
Okay.
it's all your favorite colors.
But this is not my favorite color.
The
It's
yellow?
Mama's favorite color. Because it's a gold color. It's for gold. Not for gold. It's for gold. But diba? Favorite color is yin and blue and orange and yin yang. Not the yellow. Because blue is blue and yin and orange. Remember
All
that.
colors are for anyone. There's no gender of the colors. Anyone can like colors. Mama can like color blue also. There is no gender in colors, Kael. Remember that.
Okay.
Anyone can like colors. Even you can like pink or yellow.
Okay. And I like also green and orange.
Yes.
Done.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Stick to my hand.
I take done now.
Not yet. I'm making this more.
Take that now.
We will put
Yeah. Flying kite.
yes. Please, Lord, make this fly. Sit down lang.
Lord, make the kite fly after we make it with the rubber.
With the yarn.
With the young you that help us with all the we can. And then continue, we will continue until you tell me. And then you will be happy.
Sit down lang, sit down lang.
Ayan, todo.
Hmm.
How to make already?
This one.
You. You? How?
Just wait. Mama's figuring it. Wait lang. We need to make where is the stick? You don't do it properly.
Okay.
What time is it?
No, we play that type pa.
What time is it pa? We're running out of time now. We
No.
don't be late going school, huh? Look at the time. They're inside. What time is it? I'm asking you, what time is it?
No, let you play it.
Not yet pa, not yet pa. Mama's not yet done. I'm asking you what time?
7.
7.
Okay.
Not yet pa, not yet pa. Not yet done pa.
Why?
You need to play.
Why is you not outing?
Maybe there's a cat near him.
Okay.
Or they're talking. Yunus talking to the other dog in our neighbor.
What's he talking about?
I think maybe Yunus asking if the dog's neighbor is already eating. Yes, Nay. Yes. Okay.
They kick for the tight, Mama.
Not yet na. We're almost done. Yay! Okay. Picture that with your kite. Stand up here. Stand up here. Here. Hold your kite. Yay! Kaela sa kite! Yay! What a nice
You
kite.
fly.
Oh, wait lang. Try.
No,
Here, oh.
flying.
Because you will run. So that it will fly. And we need air. Wait lang. Hold it first. Not electric fan. A natural air.
What?
Wait, we need to clean up first. Like that. Like that. You run like that. Run fast.
Oh.
Wait for a while.
How about electric fan na lang?
No, not electric fan, huh? You don't use electric fan. Mama, babe. I'll show you how. I think it's heavy with this side. I think the head is heavy. We'll get the hair na lang.
So that it will not be heavy.
Yeah. So it won't be heavy.
Now let's try.
Try it. Fly. Fly.
And let's fly up.
Make it smaller. Hold it. And you run. Do it. Okay. At the back lang. Okay. Wait. This is too long.
I think we will try it.
Wait lang, mama lang.
Okay?
No, we will make it short. Okay. Okay.
Higher.
Make it short lang. Hold it like this lang.
Huh?
We need air. Like that. Oh! Go. Run your kite. Oh, give me the other yarn there. Look, I'll keep my No, run on your side. Run your kite. Run.
Can I bring
Outside the car lang, but not inside the school, ha?
No, outside the school lang.
No. Toys not allowed in school. Dito na.
Oh, dito. I will put it here to the brightness. I will do you. I will take it. But I will put it here to the table. I will do you. I will put